Well, you should have been done. Yeah, well, you probably could, but if you fall off and break my solar panel, this video is shot. Welcome back to Curvesoft. Today we are going to be mounting these old 2006 Coursera crystalline solar panels. I think that's how that's said, something like that. We got about 160-ish watts here. Something like that. My math ain't mathing, but that's something like it. So we need to get these bad boys from here to there. They were given to us by a friend. He upgraded his system, so he gave us these. And I don't know what we're going to hook up to them besides the stuff you're supposed to. We have everything. The inverters, the MPPT switch, all that jazz. We got it all. We just need to get batteries. But for this video, we're just going to get these up there and get them mounted on the roof. They are putting out power right now, and got a little bit of an overcast. What was it? 19 volts. They're supposed to be putting out anywhere from 18 to 22 volts, and we've got about 19.6 volts. So, they are working, full sparking. So I guess now I want the feet that are tall facing this way. So they are, the panel is like this on the roof. They're not with the pitch, but against the pitch. So the short feet to the house and the long feet to the neighbor. Okay, so it's not that heavy, but you need to grab it, stand up with it, and set it down, and hopefully it'll slide off. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
Do I need to go get your brother?
No.
Okay. I don't really want to lift this. Okay, here we go. I don't know if you can reach this or not.
No, you don't. If you bring it up to,
I'm going to go up the ladder a little bit. I don't probably spin it around.
yeah.
Right here. Can you reach the grab the foot? Oh, look at that. Got it up, guys. Hold on, let me get up the ladder a little bit with it. Like that.
Oh.
Whoa.
That ain't gonna slide off.
Okay. I need to spin it around. You got it?
I think so.
I can't do shit to help you because this ladder is the size of your mother. Short and stubby. Short and stubby. Oh, stubby. Hey, come on. Well, maybe if I fall off, we'll go viral. Don't drop it on my head, though. Oh, hey, you all right?
Yeah.
What do we got going on? I got this leg. That way, we can feel a little safer about it. We don't have to sit there and hold it. Okay, folks, I'm back. And these are complete overkill. We could get away with just about half the size, but this is what we got. It's what we use. Compliments of Starlink. And if you don't have a Starlink, get one. We're doing a video on that shortly, too. I want to redo our Starlink. Well, maybe just finish the installation.
Yeah.
You know, just finish it. Overkill.
This should work. Though.
I
Don't want to do well.
allergies. Okay. Ready? Here's the drill. Here's.
Hold on. Boom.
I bet some of you are wondering why we put it up that way. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not a solar panelologist. just a little logic makes me think that perhaps if facing this way, catch more sunlight. I don't know. If I got it up there wrong, put it in the comments. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me how I'm supposed to hook it up or mount it. Tell me. Put it in the comments. Trust me. Ain't gonna hurt my feelings none. Are you done yet? Why not?
I picked up the foot to do stuff.
Oh, well, you should have been done. I'm telling you, folks, we're getting close. While you're monkeying with that, trying to ice skate on the roof. This,
Right.
you know
It's
what I
definitely
do?
being accomplished. I said it's not what I'm trying to do, but it's definitely being accomplished.
We need to. I don't want to go through the roof with this. So I'm wondering what to do about this. But for now, hey, you all quit looking at my butt, would you? Weirdos? No, just kidding. Anywho. Alright. We don't need that. But what I'm going to do is, because it is producing power, it's nothing crazy, but I'm going to throw a couple wire nuts on the end of that. Feed it the onions!
I have.
Is there a hole? Alright, well, I'll get you to drill it. We'll throw these wire nuts on. Boy, you'd think that was made of something. Well, I tell you, hail ball goes right damn near through it, but can't get a lag bolt through it. If that gives you any idea, the type of hail we get here, softball size. Hey, I got an idea. Why don't you drill a pilot hole? Whoa. Why don't you drill a pilot hole, then put the lag bolt in? Just a thought. Oh, wait. Isn't that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay. Just wanted you to think it was my idea. I should have just sent that up there to begin with, and then I bet our viewers are like, what are these clowns doing? Well, here we are. All right, we're at the surface. One down, one to go. Now, this one should be a little bit quicker, I would hope. Looks good, son. You're doing a good job.
Yeah. I don't fall off.
You got this. Don't worry. I think we don't install these professionally. We just kicked off our first job. Thanks. Just for this ladder. Yeah, you should be leaning up against the solar panel now.
Yeah.
Now again, folks, these are old style 2006. Not very efficient. Newer stuff is way more efficient than this stuff. But like I said, if you want to know what we're going to do with these, you're just going to have to follow along on the videos. 'Cause I'm not going to just tell you everything. There's no fun in that. So, but this is a project. I do have a plan. I do know the end result. I did not pay anything for these solar panels. I did not pay anything for the outdoor battery box, the MPPT switch, which I have 2 of those broken. The inverter, I didn't pay none of that. A buddy of mine, he upgraded his stuff and said, hey, you want this stuff? I know you're working on a project. So we have $0 in this project. And I'm getting to spend some quality time with my son and y'all. So we all can just learn something together. Because like I said, this is not what I do. But I figured it'd be fun. It has to do with the office. So make sure you put some under the foot something.
I did.
Oh, all right. Sorry to question. But, I think it'd be fun for everybody. If you got questions, I have questions. Trust me. If I've done something wrong or you got questions, put it down in the comments. Let's have a conversation. I love to learn new things. And that's what we talk about in the industry here. We do. So. Well, that concludes today's video, folks. It's up there. It's collecting sunlight, doing its thing. Got to hang out with my son. Didn't learn a damn thing. But, did you?
Yeah.
What'd you learn?
How to not slide off the roof.
I mean, that's usually good, right? So, but, that's it. Well, we'll catch you in the next video, part 2. I don't know what we're doing for part 2, do we? Do you know what we're doing? I say part 2, we get that wire through the wall.
That's it.
Part 2, get that through the wall. Well, you know what? Leave it up to them. What do y'all want to see in part 2? Want to get this through the wall? In there? We need to test the inverter. All that happy jazz. But, hey, go up there and stick your tongue on it. See if it's got power. Come on, it's like sticking your tongue on a 9-volt battery. Don't be a chicken. No, don't do that.
Oh, my God.
Later, y'all.